Welcome to Quantum Theory for CHM3010. Topic number 1 is on modern atomic theory, where we discussed the basic theories, histories for the all related or most theories related to atoms. And before we proceed, let us discuss the learning objective of this particular topic. So the most important part that for students to be able to answer exams, not necessarily these are very limited learning objective, but for the purpose of answering examinations, these are important points. So the first thing is to students should be able to describe electromagnetic radiation process and solve the calculations related to that. Describe photoelectric effect means that you are able to describe the experiment, draw the setup, and explain the observation, the experiment, the observation, and the conclusion. Next is to explain Bohr theory related to what is actually Bohr theory, the postulates, and the failure of the Bohr theory. Relate Bohr's equation with Rydberg equation and solve calculation using Bohr's equation. Explain particle wave duality, properties of electron, meaning that you also have to know about the experiments related to how electrons actually being proved having particle wave duality properties. And also you should be able to solve calculation using de Broglie's equation. Explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Understand, you should be able to solve questions on orbital concept and quantum numbers. Especially that you should be able to describe the 4 quantum numbers, possible combination of their values for specific atomic orbitals, and also explain the principles, the 4 principles to be used in electron when solving electron configuration. And of course, the last one is to apply the principles in writing the electron configurations of the elements. So the first learning objective, before we proceed to the electromagnetic radiation and solve calculation, it is very important for you to understand the history of how scientists or researchers have come up with the structure of atom. By the late classical physics, before Bohr's theory, it was clear that the classical physics is incapable of describing atoms and molecules. So experiments showed that electrons acted like tiny charged particles in some experiment and wave in others. So the physics that describe this duality properties is called quantum mechanics or quantum theory.